Good morning, everyone. This morning we are going to shed some light on a psychological subject propounded by American President Roosevelt. Delano Roosevelt has given this definition of three different categories of people, three different categories, in which he has emphasized that our thought process is according to the category that we are actually placing ourselves. He has given three different names to three different kinds of minds. First name he has given is a great minds. Second, average minds. And the third one is a small minds. According to him, great minds are those who discuss about new, innovative, holistic, literal ideas. Great minds always discuss about ideas, according to him. Innovative ideas, the best ideas, the ideas that can actually turn the humanity around. The ideas actually led the medical community to find vaccine. Those were the ideas coming from the great mind, not from the average mind or not from the small minds, but great minds. So according to Delano Roosevelt, every single thing happens in the world, every new ideas, innovative things, all kinds of novel things, all kinds of solutions of our exobiological or astrobiological problems, all kinds of problems, the calamity or catastrophe, all kinds of problems about our bread and butter, all the problems if you want to solve. Don't go to average minds or small minds, but go to the great minds because they always discuss ideas. So when great minds get together and discuss ideas, they are definitely going to step upon. They are definitely going to find the best of the best ideas, which are definitely going to help the humanity to solve all kinds of thorny problems, all kinds of painful, agonizing enigmas of mankind. Agonizing enigmas of mankind like COVID, like cancer, like diabetes, like bread and butter issues, like all kinds of pollution, all kinds of pollution related to climate change and all that, all kinds of complex issues that we have been facing. Answer will definitely come from the great minds, because great minds never discuss about average thing. They never discuss about events. They never discuss about people. They never discuss about flimsy things. They never discuss about kiki things. They never discuss about he, how. They never waste their time in unnecessary, long, protracted conversation, but they always silently think, and when they think and when they discuss, they always discuss about the great ideas. And all those ideas which have actually morphed the society, transmogrified this society from primitive society to civilized society, are all thanks to great ideas discussed by the great minds. Point number two, according to Roosevelt, average minds. Now, average minds are those who do not discuss anything about the great ideas. If it happens, they have to discuss or they have to listen even, or they have to read somewhere the great ideas about the theory of relativity or vaccine or astrobiological melodies or any kind of complex mechanism of our cerebral faculty. If they have to read or they happen to discuss, they are going to complain about their headache. They are going to definitely develop cerebral pain because they are average minds. They can discuss only average things. They cannot discuss about great things at all. So what are the average things? Fundamentally, average thing means they talk about events. What happened yesterday and how many people died in COVID and what happened to that film star and what happened to their marriage of those, celebrities and what happened to Musk and why Musk is so rich and hell with the Musk and hell with every stupid person on this planet. Why you are wasting your energy? Why you are wasting your linguistic energy, which is the most precious energy in the world. That is why most of the time Gandhiji kept mom brat rakhu, mom brat, because he was not stupid. That doesn't mean that he did not have anything to say. He did not say to his disciples, sorry, I don't have anything to say today, so I'm going to keep mum. No, he had lots of things to say. But he said that I'm going to save those things, right things for the right time. I'm going to say right things on the right time, for the right reasons, to the right people, for the right cause, for the right objectives. The most precious energy that God has bestowed to human is linguistic energy. When you open your mouth and say something beautiful, you are definitely going to create smile on the face of everyone who listens to you. And he happens to be Mr. Modi, and you open your mouth, and you are definitely going to hurt the feelings of lots of people. You are going to offend almost every person. No, that is the power of language. That is the linguistic power we are talking about. So average people always talk about average thing, like mostly they will talk about event. Yesterday the rain fell, and yesterday this thing happened, and Musk did this, and that Tom, Dick, and Harry did that kind of thing, and all that. These kinds of inanities and banalities, flimsy things are always talked by those average mind people. According to Roosevelt, number 3 is small minds discuss only people. Those people who have smaller mind. And we see in our society. You see in your society, you see in your circle, you see in your brood, you see in your milieu, and you see in your ambience. That when you come in contact with some of your acquaintances, some of your buddies, some of your friends, and you spend 10 minutes and pay attention what kind of conversation has been going on. And within 10 minutes, you are going to judge that most of your friends, most of your interlocutor who is talking to you, interlocutor talks about nothing but people. Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan and that Bill Gates and the Musk and that Shumbha and Nishumba and Chanda and Munda. Those are only the people they're going to talk about. And then you're going to find out that these are the people with the small minds, according to Roosevelt, who do not have any kind of better ideas to talk about, who do not have even average ideas to talk about events. But they are the smallest entity, miserable humanity on this planet, who always talk about other people. Let alone someone talks about them or not. But they are so flimsy, so nutty, so stupid that they will always talk about Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan and that lady and that Kapoor and that Falana and that Dhikra and that Pushla. Why you have to talk about those things? Why you don't have to talk about something better? And if you don't have anything better, the best thing is to keep mum. Save your linguistic energy. So these are the 3 different kinds of minds propounded by Roosevelt. First category of mind is the great minds. Great minds always discuss about great ideas. Average minds always discuss about events. What happened, episode. What did not happen, how much rain fell, how many people died in COVID, how far the COVID go. This kind of absolutely unnecessary repeat thing that they heard from their other friends. And the small minds are those who can only talk about celebrities, talk about Rahul Gandhi, talk about Modi, talk about politicians, talk about film stars, talk about cricketers, they never talk about their parents. God damn it, they never talk about their parents. They never talk about their religion. They never talk about Ramakrishna or Muhammad. But they are so flimsy, wavela, we call it wavela in Hindi, flimsy type of people that they talk only about people. So these are the three categories. You have to decide which category you fit. Thank you very much for listening. Tomorrow we're going to talk about something else. Until then, God bless everyone. Bye.